Xiaomi 13 Pro. Let's unbox it. Black box, which is very different from a regular 13, and it is also a smaller box. Big black box with a co-engineered with Leica. Satisfaction. Wow. Double satisfaction. I'm going to have a case inside. Oh yeah. Similar like in the regular version. With a case. Of course, SIM card tool. Well, similar case. It's a very nice case. Why? Because it's free. So it's fantastic. Quick start guide, warranty card, safety information. And the device itself. Okay, a little bit push. Wow. Whoa. It feels very heavy in the hand. It is a heavy device. Okay, what else do we have in the box? Accessories. Huge brick. Power brick. 120 watt. Gen. Designed by Xiaomi. Nice. And of course, usual USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. And that's all the accessories. Let's put those accessories aside. Like a professional optical lens, one ultra-large sensor. And bear in mind, this is the same sensor which you could find in Xiaomi 12S Ultra, which is 1-inch sensor, probably the best in the market. Let's continue. Leading Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, ultra-fast and power-efficient 4mm, nanometer chip, not a millimeter, it would be huge. WQHD dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz AMOLED display. Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos supported 120 watt hypercharge with 50 watts wireless turbo charging. Let's unbox. Wow. Satisfaction. That's a huge device. Humongous. And very shiny. I love it. On the side, we have a power button, volume button, 2 antennas, microphone, AR blaster, another microphone, and another microphone, speaker, camera. On the left side, antenna, another antenna. On the bottom, SIM card tray, USB Type-C, 2 antennas, microphone, and a speaker. Ooh. It's big, but it feels really good in the hand. Why? Because it's not too wide. Ah. 235. Now that's way heavier than the regular version. Bam. Satisfaction. Feels really good in the hand. Wow. Like double the grip. I love it. It's one of the best cover, grip-wise, I feel. Anyway, it will protect your lens, because it is above the camera, a little bit, tiny bit. And the smartphone itself is protected at the bottom and at the top. Sides are not protected. No, they're not. Feels really good. I love it. Okay, let's set it up this smartphone. What languages, of course. Wow. All the languages in the world. Literally every language I can imagine is in here. Woo. All of it. Oh my god, so many. I've played around a little bit, and I've installed a couple of my apps. There's not too much apps installed from the factory. Well, it's clean. Clean Android. Look how smooth that is in 120 Hz. Wow. And those animations. Woo. Like an iPhone. Bam. Wow. Super optimized Android. Extremely optimized. And let me show you a bit of on the camera. It has the biggest sensor in the world. But in order to use that sensor correctly, well, I don't mean correctly, but I mean in the full potential, unleash full potential, you have to hit 50 megapixel. And then, bam, hit from the main lens. Woo! Look at that! Wow, that's a nice sensor. Let me show you a bit of samples. Hmm. Oh. Ah. Alright, bear in mind this is just an unboxing. The full review coming soon, and definitely the camera test coming really, really soon. Yeah, very smooth experience. It's the most optimized Android in any smartphone. Ooh, no glitches, nothing. Styled with those animation to imitate an iPhone, iOS, sorry my English. Well, it looks like that. Nice. And I love it. It's a good idea. It's really nice. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching and see you next video. And wait for the full review. Subscribe.